I've bring another update come now. A lot of people, whenever you travel or you went to your office or you go to bank, you want to do a little minus emergency something that you know that you don't normally work with your passport. You don't normally work with your passport. Maybe it's something that just came out of emergency, so you want to do upgrade something from your bank or from office, any place at all. So for you to have your part, they will ask for your passport. You don't have your passport, you understand? So it is a easy way for you to make your passport, because they will ask you where is your passport. You say you don't have passport. They will ask you again, do you have any passport on your phone that you snap? You say no, you don't have. That means your things, nothing they can do about it. But I will show you an easy way to make your passport. You can sit down and tell them, you just ask them to give you like let me say 1 minute for you to create your passport and give them and transfer to them to do your any of your emergency stuff at all. So now I'm here to teach you how to make that kind of tutorial editing, how to make your passport. All you need to do is that you snap the first one. After you snap this, like this one now, you can snap this now, then I'll take you to where you can edit it and make it to become something like this. You can see this is the first one and this is the second one. I'm the one that do it. It's not I'm not, because people, many people will think maybe I snap it at the junction, or I snap it at the office of the passport, or I snap it, you understand? So now many people, they don't believe that I'm the one that do it. So I'm here to teach you how to do. This is the first one and this is the result. You can see now, everything dey normal, everything dey normal. All I need you to do is that subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you need to do, go to your groom. Look at your groom. This is my groom. Click on your groom. Click here. Click here so that you can type something. Let me go back so that you can understand it. Click here. Type the cut out. Cut out dot. Just pro. Pro passport. Passport. Search. Click search. You can see. This is what you make passport photo with proper photo size online. Click on it. It will take you here, as you can see. Click here to bring out the image that you snap. They say upload. Go to your, look for look at it here. Click upload it. Well, let it generate. Alright guys, you can see it has opened. All you need to do, come here to change the background. Click any background of your choice. Any background. This cloth now is now for something you are wear CV. If you want to do CV, now for CV where they wear, you can use that one. You come here, click it. You can actually change the how many way you need to. You can actually change it. Let me see another one. Change the frame so that the frame will match. You can see the frame, how you can change the frame. Let's take normal passport frame. You can see you can go with that Albania. That one, that is normal passport front. Then check the size length. This one is 6 times 4. You can see. You can cut it as you like. You can change it as many as you can see, as many as you just do it and cut it. You can see this one. You can see 4 in 1. You can see 4 in 1. This one 2 in 1. 4 in 1. Is the other one is 8 in 1. This one 4 in 1. You can see. Let's go for, we are using this one. You can check here also to check the clothes. You can actually change any clothes of your choice. You can see many type of clothes, men's, women's and children. You can change it. Let me try and change this one. Let's generate this one. You can see. So you can see this one now. No, I don't want it. So go back to the original one. Return it. Then you click done. Or you can see your passport is ready. Then come here, click here to download it.
download it here. It's ready. You can see, click here, beam, or more, your passport is ready. You go and resubmit your passport. Thank you guys. If you can find this video helpful, help me to share, like, comment, and follow my page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.